morning to all, respective principal, teachers, parents and my dear friends. Wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September every year in India. It is celebrated on the birth anniversary of Bharat Ratna recipient Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Teachers' Day is a best way for students to express love and respect for their teachers. So dear friends, we should always obey our teachers' orders and follow their advice. Thank you. Happy Teachers' Day.
Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwara Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha.
Good morning all my teachers. Today I would like to thank you all for all your guidance, support, love, inspiration which you give us every day. Today I must tell you that you all are my mentor, my gurus and my guides. I love you all. Happy Teachers' Day.
चोरी से चुप की मैंने चोरी से चुप की तिनका चुन के सपना एक बनाया डोरी से बुन के मैंने डोरी से बुन की टुकड़ा चुन के सपना एक बनाया Take my hand and guide me. Your
Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers.
Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers.
You are my best friend. You are my role model. You are my light of life. You are a gift from
My best friend, you are my role model. You are my light of life. You are a gift from God.
you, teacher. I praise you, teacher. I thank you, teacher, for everything.
I love you, teacher. I praise you, teacher. I thank you, teacher, for everything.
Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. You are my teacher. Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day.